My role evolved from there, from a need basis to what I liked, to what GalaxEye wanted. Moving across all of these different verticals was very rewarding for me. I had a lot of learnings from that, which has shaped up the last 2 years of who I am and what I'm doing. My name is Sriram and I work here as a program manager. I joined GalaxEye back in 2021 as an intern, fresh out of college. I wanted to get an idea of how system engineering works. I wanted to build myself up in different verticals. Technical expertise was one of them. Operational expertise is the second. Once the payload was developed, I also led the efforts to take that out of the lab and make sure that it also works outside and not just on a table. From there, I also moved on towards core project management. In my earlier days, when I was a design intern or an engineer, right, I would sit in front of a PC and make the CAD model, make sure that things are getting manufactured right, bringing it to office, integrating that with the rest of the system from a physical perspective. Next, when I moved on to operations, it was more of designing experiments on how we can learn what is the capability of these hardwares, right? How do I push it without damaging it? How do I run different experiments to understand what it can do versus what needs to be shown to the market so that this can become a product in the future? I was more focused on a strategy role where for any kind of project, everything from our drone-borne sensors to our space-borne sensors. So it evolved into a lot of planning and getting teams to execute the larger vision of the company. My role evolved from a need basis to what I liked, to what GalaxEye wanted. Moving across all of these different verticals was very rewarding for me. I'm able to see different aspects of a project. This gives you so many problems to be hung up on. It unlocks the opportunity to meet so many people. What I can read from a book in 5 days, 10 days, I can learn from talking to someone in just a couple of hours. The one that's closest to my heart is the first project that we had executed. That was the airborne SAR sensor that we had tried to build. It was my first foray into something as complex as this. I had a lot of learnings from that, which has shaped up the last 2 years of who I am and what I'm doing. I want to be in some place where I can grow quickly, where I have some level of independence to explore myself. I knew that this would be something that would boom in the future, and being an early part of it was something that was important for me. I reached out to a lot of these startups at that time, and GalaxEye, with its unique product of making a satellite, was something that was very new in the Indian ecosystem. There were very young folks in GalaxEye as far as I could see, and that was something that again intrigued me. And I thought, why not take the risk? Why not just reach out and see what happens?